In the first lecture, so we are going to discuss about the chapter 1 in organic section in a third semester, that is the orientation. Yes, so before going for the syllabus of orientation, so we will discuss some the basic concepts, so that is very helpful to understood the syllabus of orientation. Yes, some of the basic concepts that are, so we know the structure of benzene molecule. Yes, so benzene that contain alternative single and double bond, then the hydrogen the present on the benzene molecule. The hydrogen means all the hydrogen that present on the benzene molecule, they all are similar, so that in a benzene molecule, because of the all the hydrogens they are similar, so it is not possible to write, or it is not possible to number the carbon atom like 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the reason is all the hydrogens they are similar, that is because of the presence of the alternative single and double bond. So because of the alternative single and double bond, so this benzene molecule that is always in a resonance. That we know the meaning of resonance. Resonance is nothing but the result of delocalization of the pi electron. So benzene molecule, we can write the structure first. So after the resonance is nothing but the delocalization of pi electron takes place. So after the resonance, the structure changes into like this. So we can just imagine here, it is a carbon 1, carbon 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, but after the resonance means after the delocalization of the pi electron, the double bonded means the double bond in a benzene molecule that shifts from between the carbon 1 and 2. After the resonance, it shifts between the carbon atom 2 and 3. So that it's not possible to just give the number to the carbon atom in a benzene molecule in a unsubstituted benzene molecule. So all the hydrogen they are present on the benzene molecule, that we call they are the similar because of the planarity of the structure and due to the delocalization of the pi electron. So it's not possible to just number the carbon atom. So that is the reason is the resonance. Yes, but in a substituted molecule, for example, we can take the example that is monosubstituted benzene molecule. So here we can number the carbon atom like 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. That is because to the number 1 we give to the carbon atom, there the substituent is present. So in a unsubstituted benzene molecule, it is not possible to give the numbering, that is only because due to the resonance. So that we called in a planar benzene molecule, so all the hydrogen atoms they are similar. But if you consider the substituted benzene molecule, so here from the benzene molecule, if you consider one of the hydrogen is replaced by the one of the substituent. Yes, so in a substituted molecule, in a substituted benzene molecule, it's possible to give the numbering like 1 2 3 4 5 6 to the means that number 1 start always from the substituted carbon atom. So at this position, so we can tell that means before that we have to just understood that if you consider the benzene molecule, so it's a electron rich molecule. So we know the meaning of electron rich, electron deficiency. So it's electron rich, that is because of the presence of a 3 pi bonded, means 3 pi bonds, that means it contains 6 pi electron. And the electron rich, that is because only because of the continuous delocalization of the pi electron and the presence of 6 pi electron, so that this electron rich benzene molecule that always undergo the electrophilic substitution, so not the nucleophilic substitution, because electrophilic substitution is because of the benzene molecule is electron rich. So electrophile is an electron deficient, so that this benzene molecule always undergo the electrophilic substitution reaction. And so we can number the carbon atom like 1 2 3 4 5 6 only in a substituted benzene molecule. So in a non-substituted benzene molecule it's not possible, because of all the hydrogen they are similar, so only because of the presence of the planarity in a molecule and the delocalization of the pi electron. So here in a monosubstituted benzene molecule, so this substituent that is present on a benzene molecule, so that tells or that direct the further electrophilic substitution to the particular positions. So that we know in a benzene molecule or in a substituted benzene molecule, so we can say that the neighboring positions to the substituent, that we call the ortho position, then second positions means after the ortho, this we call it is a meta position, and this position we call it is a para positions. So only we can say the ortho, meta and para positions only in a substituted benzene molecules. So that naming it's not possible in this structure, that is unsubstituted benzene molecule, it's not possible to number the carbon atom as well to tells the positions like ortho, meta and para positions. So this substituent that direct the further electrophilic substitution to the particular positions, so that depends on the substituent that is present on a benzene molecule. So I taken here the general reactions or general substituent. So this substituent or depend on that substituent, we can say the ortho, meta and para positions as well. This substituent that direct the further substitution, that is the electrophilic substitution to the particular positions. That means this substituent that can direct the second substituent, that we can take it as a P. Yes. In case if we get the second substituent to these positions, then we can say that this substituent, that is first substituent that direct the second electrophilic substitution to the ortho position. So that then we call the first substituent that is an ortho director groups. So this is we can say that the numbering, or we can give the number to the carbon atom in a substituted carbon atom, means substituted benzene molecule. As well we can say or we can name the ortho, meta and para positions in a benzene molecule, that is in a only substituted benzene molecule. So it is not possible, that means just naming ortho, meta and para positions or giving the numbering, that is not possible in a unsubstituted benzene molecule. And the similar positions means these positions to the substituents, again it is ortho, this positions to the substituent, it is a meta. So these two positions, they are similar to the substituent, that is the first substituent. these two positions, they are similar, and this is the para positions. So these are the some basic concepts that we have to understood to get or to clearly understood or to easily understood the concept of the orientation chapter. Well, now we can define the meaning of orientation. So I told the numbering only possible in a substituted benzene molecule, or we can say, or we can give the name to the particular positions like ortho, meta and para, that is only in a substituted benzene molecule. So the orientations means here the substituent that is present on a benzene molecule, so that direct the second incoming groups to the particular positions like ortho, meta and para positions. So that process we call the orientation. Orientation is nothing but the substituent present already on a benzene molecule that direct the further substitution to the particular positions, like to the ortho position, to the meta position, or to the para positions. So that process or that we call the orientation. So understood, the orientation is nothing but it is the direction of the substituent present already on a benzene molecule for the further substitution reaction. That I told, the benzene molecule that undergo the electrophilic substitution reactions, so that in case if it undergo the electrophilic substitution, that only depends on the first substituent that is present on a benzene molecules, so that this first substituent that direct the second substitution to the particular positions. Yes, so this a substituent that may direct the second substituent to the ortho position, that may direct the second substitution to the meta position, that may direct the substitution to the para positions, that depend on the substituent present on a benzene molecule. Yes, so that process we call the orientation. Orientation is nothing but the substituent present already on a benzene molecule, so that direct the second substitution. That means second substitution means the second electrophilic substituent that gets attached to particular positions that depend on the substituent present already on a benzene molecules. So that we call the orientation. So the next you will clearly understood the concept of orientation. Yes. Then so this second or this next substitution or next electrophilic substitution that depends on the groups that is present on benzene molecule. Then we come across the types of groups. Yes, so the types of groups, there are mainly two types of groups. One is we call it as a electron donating group. Yes, the second types of group is electron withdrawing groups. Then for the electron donating groups also we called this group is ortho and para directing groups. Yes, electron donating groups also we call, they are the ortho and para directing groups. Electron withdrawing groups, that is the second types of groups, that is the electron withdrawing group. This also we called, it is meta directing group. Yes, so I explained that in a monosubstituted benzene molecule, so this group that direct the second substitution, or this group that direct the second electrophilic substitution to the particular positions that depend on the types of the group. That means we have the two types of group. One is electron donating groups, second one is electron withdrawing groups. In case if that group is electron donating groups, just imagine the S is a substituent. If that group is electron donating groups, then this substituent that direct the second electrophilic substitution to the one possible substitution is at ortho position, and second possible substitution to the para positions, so that the electron donating groups also we call, they are the ortho para directing groups. So examples like CS3, NH2, OH, O, CS3. So groups like the methane groups, that is amine group, hydroxy group or methoxy groups, they are the examples for electron donating groups that also we call ortho para directing groups. So in case if you had the CS3 as a first substituent on a benzene molecule, in case if this molecule take the further electrophilic substitution, then this CS3 or methyl group that direct the second incoming electrophile to the ortho and para positions, so that we call the electron donating groups like methyl group, NH2, OH or methoxy groups, they are the electron donating groups, also we call they are the ortho or para directing groups. So that is the first types of groups, that is the electron donating groups. And second type is electron withdrawing groups. That electron withdrawing groups we call it the meta directing groups. Examples like NO2, CN, carboxylic acid, etc. So we can take the example, that is the substituent, if it is a nitro group on a benzene molecule, in case if this molecule takes the second electrophilic substitution, then the second electrophile that attached to only to the meta positions, so not to ortho or not to the para positions, so that the electron withdrawing groups like nitro, cyano group or carboxylic acid group that direct the second incoming electrophile to the meta positions only, not to the ortho or not to the para positions, so that these groups we called electron withdrawing groups as well, they are the meta directing groups. Yes, so this process we call the orientation. Orientation is nothing but the substituent present already on a benzene molecule, so that direct the second electrophile to the particular positions. That may be a ortho position, that may be a meta position, that may be a para positions. So that we call the orientation. Yes, if the substituent is a electron donating groups, so that direct the second electrophile to the ortho or para positions. If that substituent is a electron withdrawing groups, then that direct the second electrophile or second incoming electrophile to the meta positions. So that process we call the orientation.